Hi guys, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thanks for coming back to my channel. This is just a really quick video to show you a new limited edition kit that's available in my shop. I printed some public domain images for you on some vintage music paper that I have in my stash. The sheets are 8.5 by 11. I think that might include the perforations here, but a lot of them I had to cut off in order to get it to run through my printer effectively. So they're really pretty images, ones that I wanted to use for myself. So as always, when I want to do something for myself, I make some for you so I can share. And so I have two streetlight images. This one, which is beautiful, takes up the whole page, and this one that just takes up the side. So if you wanted to use this for a master board or something else, very lovely. These are gorgeous for collage sheets. Here's a sweet little boy and girl in their little vintage clothes. And some of them are darker than others. This one is a lady sewing at a vintage sewing machine. And here's just a pen and ink. Here's a steampunk balloon. This is from my digital steampunk balloons kit, actually. And I wanted one printed on vintage paper, so did one for you too. There's a Remington vintage typewriter. This is one of my favorites. This just lovely vintage botanical image. This one would be really pretty folded. Look how pretty that is. Tear it. Then we have a vintage lady, and she's in kind of a brownish sepia almost tone. And a hand and a quill. A vintage bicycle. So there's 11 images here in total. I think I have enough of this paper to make 10 kits or so. So that's going to be available for you in the shop. I'll put the link below as to how you can get it. And thanks for watching. Bye.